Alexa, open Autonomous Color Tower Explorer.
Autonomous EV3 Color Tower Explorer is reading for Explore Towers at field.
Alexa, go Color Tower Blue.
Explorer is going to explore Tower Blue. Explorer, arrive at Blue Tower. What would you like to do?
Alexa, verify color.
Verifying that Explorer is at Blue Tower. The scan color at Blue Tower is blue.
Alexa, read ambient temperature.
Reading ambient temperature at Blue Tower. Temperature at Blue Tower is 76.55 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, read relative humidity.
Reading relative humidity at Blue Tower. Relative humidity at Blue Tower is 60.25%.
Alexa, read GPS position.
GPS coordinates at Blue Tower are latitude 1015.5543 degrees N and longitude 6757.8867 degrees W.
Alexa, read all conditions.
Reading all conditions at Blue Tower. At Blue Tower, temperature is 77.45 degrees Fahrenheit. Relative humidity is 59.30%. GPS coordinates are latitude 1015.5546 degrees N and longitude 6757.8874 degrees W.
Alexa, return to base.
Explorer is returning to the base from Blue Tower.
Alexa, go Color Tower Red. Alexa, go Color Tower Red. Alexa, go Color Tower Red.
Explorer is going to explore Tower Red. Explorer, arrive at Red Tower. What would you like to do?
Alexa, verify color.
Verifying that Explorer is at Red Tower. The scanned color at Red Tower is red.
Alexa, read relative humidity.
Reading relative humidity at Red Tower. Relative humidity at Red Tower is 60.25%. 4 minutes remaining.
Alexa, read ambient temperature. Alexa, read.
Temperature at Red Tower is 77.00 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature at Red Tower is 77.00 degrees Fahrenheit.
Read GPS position.
Reading GPS position at Red Tower. GPS coordinates at Red Tower are latitude 1015.5234 degrees N and longitude 6757.8689 degrees W.
Read all conditions.
Reading all conditions at Red Tower. At Red Tower, temperature is 77.56 degrees Fahrenheit. Relative humidity is 59.30%. GPS coordinates are latitude 1015.5245 degrees N and longitude 6757.8654 degrees W. 9 minutes remaining.
Alexa, return to base.
Explorer is returning to the base from Red Tower. Explorer arrive at base.
Alexa, verify color.
Explorer is at base position, cannot check color.
Read ambient temperature.
Reading ambient temperature at base. Temperature at base is 76.33 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, read relative humidity.
Reading relative humidity at base. Relative humidity at base is 56.25%.
Alexa,
9 minutes remaining.
Alexa,
9
read
minutes remaining.
GPS position.
GPS coordinates at base are latitude 1015.5678 degrees N and longitude 6757.8765 degrees W.
Read all conditions.
Reading all conditions at base. At base, temperature is 77.68 degrees Fahrenheit. Relative humidity is 59.30%. GPS coordinates are latitude 1015.5679 degrees N and longitude 6757.8643 degrees W.